Did you know most plants aren't actually absorbing nutrients the way you think they are? A lot of gardeners water their plants, add fertilizer, and still wonder why things just aren't growing the way they should. Leaves go yellow, growth slows down, and nothing seems to help. The truth is, it's not always about how much you're feeding your plants. It's about whether your plants can actually take those nutrients in. Here's one simple tip that can change everything. Check your soil's pH before you fertilize. Plants absorb nutrients through their root system, but only when the soil pH sits in the right range, generally between 6.0 and 7.0 for most vegetables, herbs, and flowers. When your soil drifts too acidic or too alkaline, something called nutrient lockout happens. Your plant is literally sitting surrounded by food it cannot reach. No matter how much fertilizer you add, those nutrients stay locked in the soil. The fix is easier than you think. A basic pH test strip or a simple soil meter from your local garden center will tell you exactly where your soil stands. If your pH is too low, a small amount of garden lime will raise it. If it's too high, a little sulfur or acidic compost brings it right back down. Once your soil pH is balanced, your plants can finally absorb what they need: stronger roots, healthier leaves, and better harvests all season long. Follow SlothGreens. Let's grow slow and grow strong.